In this video, I'll teach you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat if it says it's not installed when you launch a Steam game. The first thing we need to do is verify the game files. Start by opening Steam and selecting Library at the top. Find the affected game in the list. For me, I'll be using Elden Ring. Right-click it and select Properties. Go down the left side and select Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now search for missing or damaged files and replace them. Wait until the verification is complete, and once it's finished, launch the game again. If Windows asks for permission to install Easy Anti-Cheat, select Yes and wait for the installation to finish. If the same error still appears, the last thing we're going to do is run the installer included with the game. Return to your Steam library, right-click your game, select Manage, select Browse Local Files. Inside the game folder, look for a file named Install Easy Anti-Cheat. If it isn't there, open the Easy Anti-Cheat or Easy Anti-Cheat _EOS _setup. Run the file and approve the Windows permission prompt. If an installer window appears, select your game and click Install Easy Anti-Cheat. Wait until the installation finishes, then return to Steam and launch the game. The installer name and setup process can differ between games. If the EOS setup file immediately closes without installing anything, use the official support instructions for that specific game. The Easy Anti-Cheat not installed error will now be resolved. Please consider subscribing and liking the video to help others find this fix too.